A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic escalation of the ongoing political standoff in Texas, Attorney General Ken Paxton has filed a lawsuit seeking to declare the seats of 13 Democratic lawmakers vacant. This legal maneuver comes in response to the lawmakers fleeing the state in an attempt to block the Republican-led redistricting efforts that aim to reshape congressional maps to favor the GOP. The lawsuit, filed on Friday, targets Democratic state representatives including Ron Reynolds, Vicki Goodwin, and James Tallarico, among others, who left Texas as part of a coordinated effort to prevent the passage of a new House map that could provide Republicans with additional electoral advantages in the upcoming midterms. Paxton's lawsuit argues that the lawmakers have effectively abandoned their offices by disregarding arrest warrants and refusing to perform their legislative duties. He claims that their actions demonstrate an intent to relinquish their positions and disrupt the constitutional responsibilities of the Texas legislature. The lawsuit states, when members of the legislature disregard arrest warrants, refuse to perform their duties, and announce that they intend to prevent the legislature from exercising its constitutional responsibilities, they have, through words and conduct, demonstrated an intent to relinquish and abandon their offices. Paxton's comments on social media labeled the Democrats as cowards and accused them of deliberately sabotaging the constitutional process. The escalating tensions have been palpable, with Governor Greg Abbott previously filing a lawsuit aimed at removing one of the lawmakers, Gene Wu, from his position. The affected lawmakers have responded to the lawsuit with outrage, characterizing the actions of Texas Republicans as desperate attempts to cling to power. Representative Busey stated, "Texas Republicans have never been more desperate. First they put warrants out for our arrest, then they told their supporters to hunt us down, and now they're trying to remove me from elected office." Tallarico further taunted Paxton, asserting that his seat belongs to the people, not to the Attorney General. The Republican leadership is pushing for the return of the absent lawmakers as they seek to finalize their redistricting plans and other legislative priorities before the special session concludes. The Republican strategy includes requiring the absent lawmakers to collect their paychecks in person, rather than through direct deposit, as a means to entice them back to Texas. Meanwhile, the political landscape continues to shift as the standoff unfolds, with both sides digging in their heels. The Democrats remain steadfast in their commitment to stay away as long as necessary to prevent the GOP's redistricting efforts, while Republicans threaten to continue calling special sessions until a resolution is reached. Abbott has indicated that the Democrats' absence could extend for years, with his willingness to call consecutive special sessions to address the same agenda items. As the situation develops, it remains to be seen how the Texas Supreme Court will respond to Paxton's lawsuit and what implications it may have on the future of the state's legislative dynamics. The ongoing battle over redistricting is not only a critical issue for Texas, but also reflects the broader national struggle over electoral power and representation in the United States. With tensions high and stakes even higher, the political showdown in Texas is far from over, and the implications of this legal battle could resonate well beyond the Lone Star State. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.